Anyone else seeing that up in there? That's not the sun right there, guys. That's a parking light, and that's fog.
Why we don't live in Nebraska any longer.
Yeah.
Hashtag frozen tundra.
Frozen tundra life. Rollerball. Isaiah is bowling. It was $1 for 10 frames. Why'd it pull it up?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Dang, Isaiah. I hit 9.
Yeah, I don't know why it brings him up and brings him down, I guess, but you got to be patient. Awesome, you got a spare. Way to go. Trin is also vlogging.
What? This is like a ball.
I know. It's like an amusement park. We're gonna hit the Ferris wheel here
That's,
in a little
Mom,
bit.
that's where they stopped it.
Oh, you got a strike. Jeff went to get Trey and Enrico and I think Corrales. So they'll be here soon. Today is the day we are heading home.
Yay!
We're gonna start in a little bit. Gonna do it in 2.5 days again. That's the plan, Isaiah.
Tonight, so we can get back for season 7 of Fortnite Battle Royale.
Isaiah, what'd you think of the trip?
It was fun, yeah. But I'm just ready to be back because the weather. I miss my friends and
Especially Charlie.
I'm just glad that we don't have to come back here for another year, year and a half, 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years, 100 centuries.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Just chilling.
Yeah. Trin, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Sleeping.
Sleeping? You were the one that did the least amount of sleeping, but that was your favorite part?
True. Ow. No, my favorite part was hanging out with my cousins and leaving because I love my family and all, but I'm just ready to go home. Especially, I haven't been on my own bed in 12 days, or like more than 12 days. So.
We are in St. Louis. This is the Arch. It's so big. There it is, folks. Boom. Boom. We've never been this close to it. You can see the shadow up in the sky. It's pretty cool. St. Louis is going to be our stopping point for the night. We are heading back to Florida. This is day 1 of driving. Gateway Arch National Park. Here's Big Daddy.
Yo, yo.
He's a great driver.
Tour guide.
And tour guide.
And then
Look at all these steps. Wow.
You're up again. You got this. Nice, guys. Nice. Extend the legs. Hold on. Wait till all 3 of them go, and then you're up. Landing. Yes, better. Good. Slower. Slower. All 3. You guys 3 up. Hey, you guys, come to see if we can go for 5 times coming in and out of the bridge. So try it for 5 times. Down and up. Yes. There you go. Nice. Back down. Here we go 5 times. Yeah. 2. 3. 5 times. So with this one, hold on. With this one, the hands are going to be turned this way. So you're going to have the hands turned this way. Yeah. Fingers behind you. Nice. Nice. Stretch out of the rest. Yes. Nice. Back down. Go for 2 more. Nice.
I walked down to our neighborhood tree. This is just a block from our condo. So pretty. Last year we saw it get lit, the official lighting that they did for it, but we were in Nebraska this year when that took place, so we missed it. We're heading to a boat parade near Boca Ciega Drive. We are one child, how do I say that? We're one child less.
One child less, yeah.
Trinity is at Busch Gardens with Hayden and Bianca and Christine. So it's just me and my boys. What are you guys thinking about heading to the boat parade?
Parking was a little sketchy.
Season 8.
Season 8, okay. It's pretty nice out, you know, it's almost dark and it's probably 70.
Look
What's
at
he
it.
doing?
Wait a second. I'm taking a video.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm Buddy the
It's
Elf.
2 fists though. Is this
Well,
even
I'm
taking a
holding
picture? Does it?
something.
Well, sort it out.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's starting. There's a big one leading. We just couldn't wait, so I went ahead and started. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Why don't you go away?
Is it a real one? Dance. Oh yeah, people are on the boats too. Woo! That's cool. That's really cool. To be on there yelling and partying.
See one down the ground. What's up, Brett? Permission to come aboard.
That's fun. There's sweaters, dancing. Hi! Woo!
You're gonna keep blinding us till we scream.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.